Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing these magnetic foldable trays by OEMTOOLS, model number 26052 from Mobile Distributor Supply. These come as a pack of 4 and also come in 4 different colors including orange, green, red, and blue. They collapse for easy storage and expand to increase their capacity. Made of a high tensile strength silica, very durable, holds up to 2 pounds, can be washed when dirty, magnetic base, plastic construction, so no need to worry about components becoming corroded either. These can be easily stuck on any ferrous surface, preventing that container from falling down, and any ferrous fasteners or small components will keep inside the trays with reduced risk of falling out. I've been using these containers for quite a few projects so far. They help improve my organization and reduce the chance of losing any components. You can keep a wide variety of items in these, such as nuts, bolts, washers, metal clips, plastic clips, small tools, carburetor components, gaskets, etc. The 4 different colors allow me to easily sort between the parts for one project or different projects. Dimensions are 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches, 3/4 of an inch when folded, and expand to 2 inches. When done, they can be easily packed away in your toolbox drawers. Have you purchased this product? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, it's a huge help to me, and if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.